Hello, guys. Have a wonderful day. Today, we will be talking about equipment for camping, an accessory for camping. Camping is relaxing and fun, and you're going to have some cooking. Outdoor cooking needs some shield or protection against strong wind. Today, we will make our own windshield for our outdoor cooking. Since we will be doing a DIY windshield, we managed to secure color roof trimmings. I made estimates and measurements, draw lines, and start cutting the galvanized iron or the color roof galvanized iron. The next material we are using is the mid-rib of an umbrella. I get 4 pieces of this rib of the umbrella from the one which is a broken umbrella. So we continue cutting the galvanized iron or the hollow roof galvanized iron. We made 3 sections of this project. Thus, we need only 3 portions or 3 sections to complete our DIY windshield. There is a part for the left side and the other side, the right side, and there is another part at the center. Once these 3 sections are assembled with the help of the rib of the broken umbrella, this will be able to stand. It can stand firm against the wind and can protect our fire while we are cooking. And then, after cooking, and everybody is already done and ready to go home, you can fold this design conveniently and put in a minimized mode. I trimmed off the excess portion of these metal sheets in order to enhance the light weight of this project. And I folded the edges of these 3 sections in order to make the sheet strong. I prefer to make my own accessories as much as possible, not only to save money, but it is also a satisfying feeling. That is, if we or anybody can accomplish something, it brings a wonderful feeling and contentment. This project needs only few tools to complete. We need this hammer, we need a plier, and we need also the snipping tool or the scissor for cutting metal sheets. And for the materials needed, we only need 2 things. One is the color of galvanized iron and the umbrella ribs. In a matter of 1 hour or less, this project will already be completed. I am wearing a glove on my left hand because the edges of these metal sheets are still sharp and they are not fully folded yet. So in order to prevent our palm or fingers or our hand being cut or an accident, so I use these gloves for our safety purposes. Once this DIY windshield is completed, it will be used on my plan to have a camping on some campsite somewhere near our place and do some cooking or some grilling, barbecue, or even boiling some water for coffee, this three-sectioned windshield will be joined together in a pattern of similar to that door hinges. That once this project is assembled together, this can be opened and stand around a cooking stove to protect the fire in it and would not be extinguished by the blowing wind. And by the time cooking is done or the camping is done, then this windshield can be folded back again. And this windshield will be convenient enough to carry and to keep anywhere you go, whichever campsite you go. This windshield will serve helpful for cooking activity. And it is important that the material being used here is metal sheets in order to withstand against the heat. It is also important to remember that the size or the length and the width of this project shall be decided by you according to your need. And most especially, once going to camping, we always consider our things, our equipments, our accessories to be on a less quantity, on a less size, or on a light weight. Of course, there are still a lot of equipments that we can do DIY when it comes to equipments or accessories needed for camping. Like, for example, charcoal stove. We can design a charcoal stove via DIY, which is also folding. The one which is also convenient to carry and convenient to keep. And now, at this point, our windshield is almost complete. The three sections are already assembled, and what we are doing now is we are fixing the edges. We are folding it in order not to cause harm, not to cause cut, and also it can enhance strength on the metal sheets. As you can see, the three sections of the windshield is already on and assembled. Once these edges is already completed, then it is ready for stowing and waiting for the time that we go out for camping. I believe this metal windshield made of color of galvanized iron sheet will last long enough because this kind of metal is designed to withstand against weather like extreme heat or extreme rain and cold. So I believe this material, this project we just finished will serve at a very long time. And I also believe that this accessory that we just completed can reach several campsites, several places. It can go somewhere around beaches, mountains, forest. I think so. And thank you for watching, guys.